4x4.
You know, in our Long McArthur Performance meeting, we got to thinking a little bit. We love that movie Back to the Future, and back in the 80s, the Toyota truck was, a really cool truck, and Marty McFly drove the truck in that movie. But with the Ford Ranger being the future of the truck market, what would it be like if he drove a Ford Ranger instead? Now here at Long McArthur Performance, we're always coming up with one-of-a-kind builds that you just can't find anywhere else. And if you haven't seen any of our previous builds, check out our Ford Ranger Baja. There's only a couple of those that we made that's getting national notice. Also our LM-ST, our Lightning Tribute truck, as well as we do have an LM650, which is a Shelby look-alike for about 20 grand less than that. And then you can see a bunch of our other custom truck builds here. So we like to have fun here at Long McArthur. We've done it once again with this truck. I really like it. I think it looks real similar to the 1985 Toyota truck that was in the Back to the Future movie. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the components and what we did to this truck to give it this look. Now first we got to start off by giving it a nice off-road look. And the first thing we did to this is put a 2-inch suspension level kit in, just like the same one we put in our Ranger Baja package. Same one here. Ford is really getting into the accessories market here, and so we're getting this straight from Ford, so we're able to get this nice level kit put in it. Also some nice wheels and tires, 17-inch black and silver Beadlock wheels here, so fuel brand. So great looking wheel with some Goodyear off-road tires as well. So these nice Goodyear Wranglers here give you some nice aggressive tread here and a nice aggressive look without compromising on the ride when you're on the road. Now here on the front we had to add something to it to give it that nice look from the Back to the Future truck. So we did add our nice steel bumper replacement up here. So real nice look to it. Does have the bull bar as well to give it the nice aggressive tough look. And then we added the lights. Now in the Back to the Future they had the KC lights were positioned more on the bumper. This time we were able to replace it with the fog lights here, giving you those KC LED fog lights here, as well as a 20-inch light bar in the front to give it a nice look. And if you want to do some off-roading, you're going to be able to see at night. Of course, we needed a nice chase rack up here, so just like in the movie, so we do have this Ford brand chase rack. We got it from Ford Accessories. They're building some accessory for Ford Rangers that you're able to get, and we got that from them. Also, the KC lights up there. So those are wired in to the button, just like the front ones are. You just flip the button to the bottom instead of the top, and you're going to have the KC lights as well as your front fog lights. And they're going to have, of course, we have the yellow covers on front of those to give it a nice KC light look there. And then the graphics on the side. So very proud. We needed to have something on the side to bring it all together and kind of tell the story of this truck. And we think we've copied that logo pretty well. So built Ford Tough 4x4 logo on the side that has that Back to the Future look to it. Now we did base this off our XL trim, so you're going to see a really nice, well-equipped truck. We wanted to have that blacked out, grill up there, so the XL was a good fit for us. Plus, our goal on all of our different custom builds is to keep that cost down as low as possible, give somebody a cool custom truck that is affordable for them. And so I think going with the XL was a good way to go. It did have the 101A equipment group, so you got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You do have cloth seating surfaces. Does have the pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, and even has your rear view camera and a bunch of other equipment as well. You can check out my XL Ranger video to kind of get more information on how this is equipped, as well as you can check out that window sticker on our website too. Now we did a 4-wheel alignment as well as a speedometer recalibration to kind of complete everything after we did the level kit and the wheels and tires, so that's going to be taken care of for you, and everything's going to be backed with a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty. And don't forget, you can only find this truck build at longmcarthur.com. So check out our inventory there, go to the new inventory tab, go down to off-road inventory. You're going to find not only this custom build, but a lot of other custom builds we've done out there, some one-of-a-kind truck builds. So if you're in the market for an F-150, maybe a Super Duty instead, check out our website there. You're going to see something cool that'll work just for you. So our goal here at Long McArthur Performance is to create some nice custom truck builds that nobody else has that people will want. So definitely check those out. Now, if you have any questions, you can call or send us a text message, 785-378-5031, or you can call us toll free, 1-800-874-6316. Don't forget, all of our off-road trucks get free shipping as well. So if you want a nice custom truck delivered right to you, reach out to us. We do free shipping for the first $1,000, so definitely have that delivered right to your door and get you a nice one-of-a-kind trucks. First time watching one of our videos, hit that red subscribe button down below. That way you get subscribed to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. That way you get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. So that's how that works. Go ahead and hit that notification bell down there. Don't forget, smash that like button. What that does is it lets other people know it's a great video they need to watch. It's a video you liked and recommend to your friends. So definitely hit that and lets people know that. And drop your comments down below. We love getting your feedback on these different custom builds. Just lets us know if it's something we need to do more of or if we need to tweak some things in future builds. So we love getting that feedback from you. We read all those and respond to all those ourselves. So definitely leave those comments down below. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Until the next one, we'll see you later.